Welcome to Car Updater, your go-to channel for all things cars. Here, we bring you the latest updates, reviews, and insights into the world of automobiles, keeping you ahead in the game. Today, let's dive into the 2025 Mercedes-AMG, a masterpiece of engineering and performance. The 2025 Mercedes-AMG lineup continues to push boundaries with its blend of luxury, technology, and raw power. Known for its high-performance DNA, the new AMG models are designed to deliver exhilarating driving experiences while maintaining the premium comfort that Mercedes-Benz is famous for. With upgraded features and refreshed aesthetics, these cars stand out as a testament to innovation. Under the hood, the 2025 Mercedes-AMG comes with a variety of engine options depending on the model. From the compact turbocharged inline-4s to the beastly handcrafted V8s, the performance spectrum caters to enthusiasts of all levels. Some models now even feature advanced plug-in hybrid technology, combining electrification with AMG's signature performance. This not only enhances efficiency but also offers instant torque for quicker acceleration. The exterior design is unmistakably AMG. Aggressive front grille, aerodynamic enhancements, and signature quad exhaust tips reflect the brand's sporty character. Larger alloy wheels, enhanced LED lighting, and optional carbon fiber accents give the cars a striking presence on the road. The design isn't just about looks, it improves aerodynamics, ensuring better handling and stability at high speeds. Step inside, and you're welcomed into a cabin that merges sportiness with sophistication. High-quality materials such as Nappa leather, aluminum, and optional carbon fiber trim dominate the interior. AMG performance seats ensure maximum support during spirited driving while still providing long-distance comfort. The latest MBUX infotainment system with a fully digital instrument cluster is standard across the range, offering seamless connectivity and a host of customization options. Drivers can access AMG-specific displays, performance data, and drive modes with just a touch. Speaking of technology, the 2025 AMG models are equipped with cutting-edge driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automated parking. Performance-wise, AMG Ride Control with adaptive damping and rear axle steering in select models ensures precise handling. The inclusion of advanced braking systems ensures confidence-inspiring stopping power. For audiophiles, the premium Burmester sound system delivers a concert-like experience. Meanwhile, ambient lighting with multiple color themes enhances the interior's appeal. The rear seats provide ample space and comfort, making these cars practical for both performance lovers and families. Overall, the 2025 Mercedes-AMG lineup sets a new benchmark for performance, luxury, and innovation. Whether you're cruising through city streets or taking on a winding mountain road, these cars deliver an unforgettable experience. If you enjoyed this review and want more content like this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Join the Car Updater family and stay updated with the latest in the world of automobiles. See you in the next video.